In an unfamiliar place, all our senses awaken. We switch off autopilot and become true observers, learning a new way of living. The humidity in the air, the unfamiliar spices in the food, navigating local roads, finding the perfect break to surf. Each new discovery draws us closer to its place and ultimately to ourselves. This is our third time in Bali. Definitely not the best season to visit, and we went with minimal planning. Still, it turned out to be the perfect way to end 2024. I want to share some thoughts on travel. You really don't need a flawless plan for a perfect getaway. You don't need someone else's itinerary to have a meaningful trip. Each moment you spend in a foreign place, every conversation, every chance encounter is uniquely yours. Your experience can't be duplicated, and that's the magic of it. Don't just go there to see. Go there to experience in your own way.
We just found the best spot to shit. I think this is a unfinished resort or resort under construction. We just found this random toilet. Wait, I have to show you. Wait. Loki's assessing. So I can see you actually.
Go with an open heart. The world we see is shaped by what we already know, not by its true self. Judgment is our greatest barrier to receiving. It is our greatest block to new experiences. Preconceived ideas blind us, making us quick to label things as good and bad. As there's only one way to live in this vast, diverse world. When we approach a new place without judgment, we are received unconditionally, and in return, we discover its best gifts.
There's a group of kids. They're super cute. They're cheering and smiling to us in the background. Hello.
Okay. Is it the same price? Can you tell me to put it on? Yeah. Thank you. Ah, that's so pretty. Thank you. I love it.
It's just something so special about buying things from a local market. Just want to show you, there's a little cat. He's so asleep. Hello.
Learn something new. Maybe it's something that's been on your bucket list.
Try to feel your belly, feel the air you push.
Diving, surfing, or even picking up the local language. By stepping into a learner's mindset, we become humble observers of the world. Or maybe just write down what you've learned today. It gives you something truly special to carry wherever you go next.
Three motifs. It's amazing. You just make a little bag with coconut leaves. It's a gift from nature. You don't need any plastic. You just need coconut leaves to make a container.
If you make it straight like this, it's same direction with the way. You'll be turning. You'll be turning.
look within. The water, the sky, the faces around us, the love we give and receive.
Thank you so much for teaching us.
Everything we've been searching for out there actually comes from within. Once we realize that, every encounter feels like a gift. The meaning of a travel is not in that perfect shot or in that ultimate itinerary. It's in this present moment. Simply you being here.
But the thing is, human nature, sometimes they cannot act as perfect as you want.
I know,
We're
yeah.
human beings, right?
And especially for freediving, you just need to feel it rather than I have to make it work. So you change the mindset from I'm gonna make it work to I'm just gonna feel it in this moment.
Right.
So I think I will try to do that tomorrow
So
rather
you-
than overthinking. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that.
That's right. So you already found your solutions, I guess. Am I right?
I hope so.
Yeah, you already found it. You can feel it.
Exploring a new place without a preconceived idea, letting the people and experiences guide us. Be an observer, be a humble guest, and believing that the most important discoveries often lie within.
Attempting to surf day 2. It's still raining. We are just look at the weather, but it is a lot more clear compared with yesterday. Yeah, hopefully we can find some waves. Thank you for picking us up.
How's the wave today?
We don't know yet.
I don't know yet, okay?
Hopefully better than yesterday.
Yeah.